Hey, so today I'm going to share with you guys my Ayurvedic medicine routine. Things that I take daily to keep my immune system good, immunity boosted, protecting myself from coughs, colds, bacteria infections, virus, and so on. So these are all the Ayurvedic medicines, supplements that I take throughout the day. I know it seems like a lot, but it's really not that bad, because once you get into a routine, everything just falls into place nicely. So these two I take together first thing in the morning. This is a haldi capsules. So haldi is turmeric, and this is neem. So neem is a blood purifier. I take one of each in the morning, one capsule of this, one tablet of this. I can just show you how they look. And they're fairly easy to get online. You can find these things. These are all Patanjali products that I get. I order online. And then this is the neem tablet. That's how that looks. Nice earthy color. And just one of each is enough because they're pretty potent. So you don't want to do more than that. I've been taking this stuff for more than a year, maybe even a couple now. And I was starting to have a little bit of like knee issues, and I noticed that when I started taking the turmeric capsule, the Amba Haldi, it really helped me. So I don't have that kind of knee pain anymore. And this one, yes, I'm sure it's doing something good, purifying the blood. I do a lot of pranayama, but aside from that, these things also help. Then these all came in a kit as a immunity booster kit, and so I take these daily as well. This is a nice little picture of some lungs on here. So this is for your lungs, and this is called Swasari Vati. Okay, and I take 3 of these tablets before, half an hour before having some food. Generally I do this in the morning because it's very easy. That half an hour goes by in the morning, brushing your teeth, I do my oil pulling, I do my morning rituals. So by the time I come down in the kitchen for breakfast, half an hour has gone by. So half an hour before having food, Swasari Vati, good for lung health. And you can do this twice a day. So maybe for 2 meals, you know, breakfast and a dinner, or a breakfast and lunch, however you like. And then after food, I'm going to keep this separate because I'll explain that in a bit. After food, then I take all of these 3. So I take 2 Galois. So this is really good for cough and cold. It just overall prevents you from the common cough and cold. So I take 2 of these, also a nice earthy color. And I take 1 Tulsi. Tulsi you guys know about, holy basil. You usually get it in a powder form and you put in your tea. So I just take 1 of that. And then I take 1 ashwagandha. Ashwagandha comes in this nice little pack. And this is how they look. Just 1 of that. And they say ashwagandha is like the Indian ginseng. So really good for energy and vitality, rejuvenation. I have enough energy, I think, but you know, it's always good to have some extra help. And then finally at nighttime, I do a nasal cleansing with an oil up my nostrils called anutelam, anutel. Okay, so tail means oil. So this is a nasal cleansing with oil, and really good. I do a few drops, 2-3 drops of these in my nose at nighttime before I'm going to bed. And then when I wake up in the morning, lots of good stuff comes out, clearing the nasal passage, clearing the lungs of phlegm and mucus, and all that good stuff comes out. I was doing it in the morning as well, so either way is fine. You could do it in the morning or you could do it before you go to bed. These days I've been experimenting with it before bed. And in these all came together as a kit, like immunity booster kit. And you get this nice little paper to explain to you, you know, the benefits and how much to take of each. It's in Hindi and in English. I do not read Hindi, so English is great. And this is my everyday daily routine. I hope that this helps, and I hope that you guys also stay well with the help of Ayurvedic medicines. Do your yoga, do your pranayama, and everything should work out.